How to make easy fish fillet in garlic and tomatoes. First things first, let's heat oil in a pan. And then we cook the fillets 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Your fillet should be seasoned with salt and pepper. Once cooked, set aside. Next, in the same pan, we saute 1 head of garlic, minced. And then we add around 300 grams of cherry tomatoes, halved. And then we cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we add 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, a handful of chopped parsley, and we season with some salt and some pepper. And then we simmer the tomatoes for 2 to 3 minutes. And finally, we add back the fillets. And we spoon sauce over the fish. And we're done! Thank you for watching.